Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. No, I don't know. Sorry, you are watching which time. Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Thanks for watching my video. Now, I'm Jasser, and today I'm going to show you how to create an AWS account step by step in whether you are starting cloud journey or preparing for certification. First, you need to set up a AWS account very correctly. Okay, let's dive into video now. How to create a AWS account. First of all, we need to go to this link, AWS Amazon App Console. Now I will give this link in description. You can go through this link. Just we need to this create an AWS account. We need to click this. Then one page will come. Okay, this page will come. We need to give our email ID. Yes. No, we need to give to the some name, no, anything as your wish. Then we need to verify your address. Actually, one code will come with your email address. We need to verify that my code is 503491. Then we need to verify this code. No, it will only 60 seconds will come, but then you can put any strong password. It has one uppercase, one lowercase, one numbercase, one. Yes, I'm choosing my one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one special mark, like that. We need to the billing address. If you have a company or anything for using, you need to click the business. Usually we're studying for no for now. Then we need to click this. But then you can put your full name. No, you can need to put only personal for one projects only. Click it. Sorry, then you can put your respected phone number. We are watching from India, +91. Then phone number what you want you can put. Then your region, India. So then you can put your local address where you are living, Hyderabad, Bangalore, something. Then put your city, then your state, then your postal code also you can put. Okay, I'll put. Then we need to click this link. Then we need to open this. Okay, you can put your credit card or debit card details. Any Visa and Rupee. Yeah, no, it accepting Visa and Mastercard, American Express, Rupee card. Give any credit and debit card. No, it will detect only 2 rupees, not that much. It will detect only 2 rupees. It will come. It will no within a one week. Only it will detect in 2 rupees. No, it will not detect anything. Okay. Now, after your payment as well. Now after this page will come. Just to you can go. No, actually, I already have a AWS account, so that's why I'm not signing up in here. After that, this page will come. Okay, sign up for you AWS. You can click that this plan, basic support free. So this plan you can choose. Don't choose these two plans. No, it will charge some money. So that's why use this. Sorry, this one only, basic support free plan. Then after this thing will come. Congratulations. No, it will take some few minutes. Please click this here. Go to your AWS management console. Okay, let me dive to the console for a some time. Now actually this page will come. For this page now you can select region, and you can select anything. Sorry, no, we will discuss with these many dashboard in future. No issues. No, I will teach you in everything in AWS. No, I will teach you beginner to pro. Yes. Then you can go to the billing and cost management. Then you can check how flowing. So okay, no, everything only. No, it will break down. No issue, see, it will don't charge anything. This account I am using from last 5 6 months. No, it will lock single penny also. Don't panic, it will completely free. So not completely free. I will let you know what is the free. Okay, AWS free account will give for only 12 months only. So today is 29th 4. If you created today na, it will come 28th 4 2026 still. Now what is free? No, I will let you know about the EC2. It has every month 750 hours it will free, and S3 5 GB standard storage it will free, and no, and Amazon RDS 750 hours will free. Database in no, DynamoDB is 25 GB free. Amazon Sega Market AI 25 2 months free. No, Amazon Lambda 1 billion request. Well, that much way if you, so if you use exceed 1 million na, that time it will charge. Okay, free tier developer tools unlimited free, and analytics these many you can free. No, no, I will paste this link in our description box, you can go and check out. And moreover now, if you have any related doubt creating AWS, please no, please put one comment. No, I will ping you directly. No, feel free to connect me. This is Sayed Jasa. Please subscribe our channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Signing off, Jasar. Bye. Have a good day.